myself on shoveling and just doing it so that you don't damage your back and or your shoulder as well. We've had half a ton here of sand and cement, and I thought I'll just bring it to your attention as to how to protect your back. So take your shovel, short handle shovel, going down and kneeling on the ground, and take your hand and just push it in and then pull it out. So push, pull, and you can keep going about at this pace for a few hours at least. And this is potentially a knee damager, simply because I'm on concrete here as well. So what you can do is either grab some of these things or grab some professional knee pads as well, and just whack that in. But I'm not here long enough to do damage to my knees because I'm up and down, and I guess when you're on your knees a bit, you know what you can do and what you can't do. So if you've got bad knees, get some knee pads, get a floor mat, something to protect you, but you've got to protect your back in this whole process. And that's about as simple as it gets really, as opposed to doing this. Every time I put my left knee forward, because I'm a right-hander, I'm putting damage on my ball and socket joint on this left hip joint. It'll wear out. I'll go for a knee replacement, a hip replacement and a knee replacement. I don't want that, so I'm going to try and avoid doing that sort of thing repetitively. You know, not to say that you have to be on your knees all the time, you don't, but I'm sure this is going to help some tradie out there as well, who gets down 20 years, 30 years into it and ends up having spinal surgery. So I don't want that to happen. If you can, look after your back now. Shoveling is a hard thing to do, even if it's just compost or bark or something like that. Get down low and get your hand in, push it in, pull it out, and then into the barrow. Alright, Daniel Dada from St Jude's, another friendly tip for you. I hope it helps.